Yep, up. Okay, now it's in go gear.
Go, Saya. Go, Saya. Go, Saya.
I think you can sit on there with him though.
Okay, look, get off real fast. Let me know.
I think you can sit on there and let him sit on the front.
Come on, Saya.
There you go.
Go.
Don't let die.
Oh my.
That was funny.
Don't go in the creek. Baby. I don't know what they're doing.
Here they come. Good deal. Go, Saya. She's keeping her feet up. Billy, he's about to determine he's going to learn to ride one of them.
I don't think it must have. He was wanting one of those. He said, I want a dirt bike and a pad for my birthday.
Aww.
But now he's like, dirt bike.
He could learn to ride it. Tyson loves it.
Look at Sean. She's going to burn her legs off.
I'm not. Because it probably would get hot.
She's doing good.
Yep, he's just going to have to get the hang of it. Oh, the sun's going down. It's getting dark.
Sean.
Down over the creek bank.
I'll try it.
Well, Sean, nothing like walking with a bike.
I couldn't reach my brakes.
She wants to try it.
She can't.
Give Riley
Right.
the helmet. Give Riley the helmet.
Bryla's doing it.
Briley wants to try it.
That's right.
That's okay.
Good job, Saya.
Sean's with her.
Are you excited, Brad?
This is cool.
Come here, Riley.
You want to try it, Raya?
I don't know.
Go, Raya. Go, Raya. Go, go.
I mean, if you know how to ride a bike, then it's just controlling the.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's your balance, but then you. Hey, Tyson's little-
More light.
They put all new plastic on it for
Oh,
his
okay.
his birthday one time or something. Might have been Christmas. Might have been.
Hey, get out of
I
the
can't
way.
remember. It made it look new, so it doesn't matter.
Riley, you have to be really careful. I don't want anything to happen.
Look here.
You don't even put your legs up.
You're already on it. Feet up, feet up.
Tara, put her feet up.
Put your feet up. You gotta put your feet
Riley, you're almost there.
She's got it.
up. She is on you.
Okay. Riley, try. Let Gabby try.
Yeah.
You want to try?
You're close, Riley. You still did good. I'll get over here.
Gabby wants to try it.
You gonna try, Gabby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Riley didn't stay long.
No, she did not want to. Come here, Riley.
Tell Raya. She knows.
Yeah, don't do that. Oh, jeez. Hang the poor kid.
Poor kid.
What do you think, Si? You like it? You want to learn to ride one?
I like a four-wheeler better than that.
Yeah. They're all fun.
Well, look on my pants. I got them all stained.
Put some stuff on. Use a
Toothbrush.
yeah, toothbrush and some shop. It'll be all right. That's all the fun. Aww.
You almost got it.
Let me see, honey.
So close. I don't want to go over there. But I'm scared.
You didn't want to go over in the bumpy place because you can wreck easy over there. There goes Gabby.
Look, Gabby's doing good. She knows what she's doing. What in the world is that?
What do you think?
Good.
Thumbs up.
Hello.
Hi, Bri. Good job.
You're doing good.
Yeah, she is doing good.
I don't want to play.
She's getting the feel of it.
You're almost there. It's too scared. I'm gonna go. So you want to ride the gravel?
No, you start on the grass first. Look at all the people back there talking. Okay, it's Raya's turn.
Who is it?
Olivia.
Good. Hi, Dan.
Livy gonna try too?
That's kind of good. If I'm with someone, it's kind of good.
What is it?
I said if I'm with someone, it's good.
You did good for your first kind of feel of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you did good.
Look at Raya. She's going to do it. Other thing that I can't get this off.
It's okay.
Ah,
Watch out, guys.
Okay, we're getting. She said, "Watch out." So we're watching out.
keep your feet up.
I love it. This is fun.
Why didn't Gardner come?
I don't. Oh, he was in New York. Remember, he was on his way back from New York.
He went in New York? I
Yeah,
didn't
he
know.
went with some family. Livy, yeah. We get everybody on there, huh?
Yeah.
Some on this one, some on the other one.
Is it better staying with a four-wheeler?
Watch out.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Four-wheeler, yeah, because you got 4 wheels on the ground. This has only got 2. So
So
this
that makes
this
it-
takes balance.
I am not getting a motorcycle.
This takes balance.
It's gonna be harder than that. Don't you need the helmet?
Slow down.
You're good. If you go too slow, you'll fall over. Right, right. Good job, Liv. Oops, I lost her. There she is.
On the Phuket, so all thumbs up.
All thumbs up. Aw, good job.
My name's Saya.
Your name's Saya.
I ain't Riley.
Your name's Riley. Yeah, she's doing
I'm
good.
gonna put it on YouTube.
Probably will. Yeah, she's doing good. Yeah, for her first time on a dirt bike.
Is a four-wheeler just like a razor?
Well, it just depends on what it is. Depends on the engine, depends on the size. Razors can be more powerful, but yeah. Four-wheeler, they have 4 wheels, so that you don't have to balance them like you have to balance this one.
So you can steer
Yeah,
better?
yeah, you can.
I don't want to go fast.
You just kick it up.
You don't go fast?
Put it down for neutral. Or
Yeah. Yeah. Down for neutral. Yay!
no, that's it. That's all, folks.
Jacob.
So just check us out on YouTube, right?
Yep.
Yep,
And give us subscribes and thumbs up.
that's right.